Sometimes these stories are simple. They may even be boring. Sometimes very hard-hitting and equally heart-wrenching, heartbreaking. But behind all stories is always your mother's story, because hers is where yours begins. Every story has associations, just like every film has an association. The other day I was in the cafe and the lady on the table next to me was ecstatic and she said, "Pink is irresistible." और उसके आदमी जो बगल में आदमी बैठा है कहता है, नहीं नहीं, लाल खूबसूरत है. And she said, "I am not talking about colors. I'm talking about Bachchan Saab's pink." So today, pink also has an association. For me, a very personal association with Divya's mum was purple, or as she said, purple. रजत, तू मुझे बता पर्पल मुझे सूट करता है कि नहीं? I said, हाँ जी. मैं पर्पल में अच्छी लगती हूँ कि नहीं? I said, हाँ जी. I said, you are purple. And after that I always called her purple. Until today, when I hear the word purple or see the color purple, I think of her. That's my association. Purple gave us Divya, who is in no way purple, but an amalgamation, a spectrum of vibgyor of colors, more than the rainbow. So when she told me, I want to write a book about Ma, I said, okay. So when do you want to begin? She said, I have begun. And it's just flowing. And that's how it is. It's flowing because the fluidity with which the words are strung together are straight from the heart. And that's what matters. The sunshine of all our days, the north star of our nights is Ma. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Me and Ma by Divya Datta. A very good evening to all of you. We are very honored to have as our chief guest none other than Shri Amitabh Bachchan. Sir, thank you for gracing this occasion, and may I ask Divya to officially welcome him up here on stage. So my dearest Divya, it's time for you to come up here and tell us a little about me and Ma, or as I would put it, my purple.
Thank you, Rajat. That was so beautifully put. A very good evening, everyone. All you people who mean the world to me, thank you for being here with me. Thank you, sir, for really gracing this occasion. ए जज्बा दिल कर मैं चाहूँ हर चीज़ मुकाबिल आ जाए, मंजिल के लिए दो गाम चलूँ और सामने मंजिल आ जाए. This book was, ये किताब सिर्फ एक जज्बात थी, एक जज्बा था अपनी माँ के लिए, और फिर वो एक खूबसूरत सी सच्चाई बन गया. आई थिंक माएँ जो होती हैं वो हम सबके लिए इतनी खास होती हैं. दिस इज़ द प्योरेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल रिश्ता दैट वी कैन एवर हैव. Nobody judges you. They love you for who you are. And मेरा जो रिश्ता था वो 3 तरह का रिश्ता था मेरी माँ के साथ. माँ थी मेरी, फिर मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी, बहुत झगड़ा करते थे, मस्ती करते थे, हर जगह हाथ में हाथ डाल के घूमते थे, और फिर कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरी बेटी बन गई और मैं माँ बन गई। तो ये तीन रिश्तों को संजोकर इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस थे मेरे पास कहने के लिए, that I wanted to write this book, Me and Ma. And I think I'll always be grateful to Mama for really believing in my dreams, believing in me. And एक बच्चे के लिए सबसे खूबसूरत गिफ्ट होता है जब एक माँ उनमें विश्वास रखती है कि आई एम विद यू, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ. I think that sailed me through everything in life. And I had lost my dad very early. तो मम्मी को I had this biggest fear कि I shouldn't lose her ever. तो बहुत cling करती थी उनको. तो when I lost her, I would say I lost her, but there was this helpless situation that I had कि अब मैं क्या करूँ? And then I realized she's somebody who always celebrated life, always. And the best way to just remember her, love her, and thank her is to just celebrate her story, her anecdotes, my dear purple, with people I love the most. And shukriya everyone for making this so special. And since I'm saying my shukriyas, the biggest shukriya sir for being with me today. आपको शायद मैंने बताया नहीं है, बचपन में मैं मम्मी की साड़ियाँ और दुपट्टे फाड़ा करती थी और उसकी लुंगी बनाकर खई के पान बनारस वाला में डांस करती थी, और मेरे नेबरहुड के सब बच्चों को गुलाब जामुन के ट्रीट्स सब देती थी कि मुझे बताओ एम आई डांसिंग लाइक मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. एंड कुछ सालों के बाद हेड गर्ल थी स्कूल में एंड सबसे पूछा जा रहा था क्या बनना चाहते हो, एंड आई सेड आई वांट टू बी इन द इंडस्ट्री वेयर आई कैन act with Mr. Bachchan. And I think life's been beautiful. My mother supported me and I could end up being in the movies, and I was lucky enough to have worked with him. और एक बड़ा स्वीट किस्सा है, वो शायद सर को याद होगा कि नहीं होगा. मेरी पहली फिल्म सर के साथ थी बागबान, और and I had a very mean role in that film. And नई थी तो मतलब वो बहुत रूड सा एक सीन था जहाँ मैंने सर को I was nice to him. तो घर आई तो मेरी मम्मी ने पूछा कि भाई कैसी रही तुम्हारी शूटिंग. सो आई वाज वेरी अपसेट. सो शी सेड बट यू वर शूटिंग विद मिस्टर बच्चन, यू शुड बी हैप्पी. सो आई सेड माँ कुछ तो मुझे बॉदर कर रहा है. तो शी सेड व्हाट. आई रियलाइज्ड आई हैव अडोर्ड हिम सो मच, आई हैव लव्ड हिम सो मच. मुझे वो डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं करना और कहीं जहर में वो लेकर चली गई दैट आई वाजंट नाइस टू हिम. द स्टोरी इज नॉट अबाउट दैट. द स्टोरी इज हाउ ही रिएक्टेड टू इट. And he wouldn't probably even remember that. I think he noticed it, he observed it, and the next day he was cracking jokes with me, he was cheering me up, and I felt all is well. And I think, sir, that is the most beautiful quality that you have, that you make people feel so special. And I really felt special, and I share this very special bond with you, and I'm glad on my most special day in my life ever, you're here with me today. So shukriya. Shukriya Shabana Azmi for writing this foreword for me. बहुत दिल से उन्होंने ये foreword लिखा और हमेशा I think she's been a pillar of strength for me. So big thank you to her. Penguin, thank you Vaishali Mathur, my editor. Thank you Devasmita. I just went with this dream. I was sitting with my mom and I thought मुझे Me and Ma लिखनी है और Penguin को ये publish करनी चाहिए. And all I did is एक महीने के बाद I went to her and I said, listen, I want to write. And she said, okay, go right ahead. कभी भी इन्होंने मुझे ये नहीं कहा कि ये मत लिखो और ये लिख दो. She gave me the freedom to write what I had to. So thank you so much. My brother, my rock, he's sitting behind backstage. Again a rock. कि कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो तो संभाल लूँ. Thank you Rahul. Thank you my bhabi. Thank you all my dear friends here. Anand sir, thank you for being here. Anup sir, Shriram sir, Govind ji, Bhavna ji, everyone. Thank you Atul. Thanks so much everyone for being here with me. अब एक बड़ी खास दोस्त को कहूँगी. जब मैं स्टारडस्ट में आई थी यहाँ पर तो she and I started together. मेरा फ्रैक्चर हो गया था and she really babysat me literally. एंड वो एक जो दोस्ती हमारी चलती आई हमेशा, वो अब तक बरकरार है. एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर वुड बी एनीबडी एल्स टू जस्ट स्टार्ट एंड रीड एन एक्सर्प्ट फ्रॉम माय बुक सोनाली बेन रेड. थैंक यू. Good evening, everybody. Divya, congratulations. Like she said, it's a very, very old relationship, a very special relationship. This relationship was formed when Divya knew she wanted to be an actor, and I was sure I did not want to be an actor. But here I was, just going ahead with it because I got selected. I must say, everybody at Stardust Academy had really worked hard, gone through all those auditions, and like Divya says, I had kind of just waltzed in as the editor's choice. So I always felt I didn't deserve what I was getting, and I was trying to, kind of compensate for it a lot of time. But that's another story. But the relationship with Divya kind of started from there, and we don't meet every day, we don't chat every day, we don't kind of catch up. Once a year, I think we meet. She has selective things that she tells me, and then she'll tell me, I will tell you about this later. Later never comes. There are a lot of secrets that she keeps, but that's okay. There are a lot of things that she doesn't need to say. We just get it because it's her. She's so vivacious, so full of life, that and so emotional. It's so beautiful to meet her. Every time you meet her, it's always special. I read her book, cried, remembered a lot of things. It felt like my youth too, and my youth too, my God. But there's a portion in this book that I think reminds me of Divya's mom the most. I think it kind of shows what she was completely. So it's from the chapter called The Unconventional Star Mom, because I think she was really unconventional as a person, forget the star mom. This is the bit where Auntie, as usual, has accompanied her to the shoot. So, Ma was with me throughout most of my shootings, regardless of whether they were fun or tough shoots. Her chair was always placed on the set, watching over me, but also befriending everyone from the spot boy to the director. Divya ki mummy, she was fondly called. I remember once we were in Rajasthan in the biting cold of the Jaisalmer dunes. No vanity vans could go after a point, and we were shooting at night. The temperature had dropped to -5 degrees. Ma insisted she'd come with the unit, which comprised only of about 15 people, to look after her daughter. She carried a bottle of brandy to rub on my hands in case I felt very cold. She was very confident she'd manage. No chair could be kept for her on the dunes, so my spot boy spread a mattress for her to rest on. In between my shots, I'd exchange glances with her, and she'd smile back, or I would go to her and she'd rub brandy on my hands. After a bit, it became very cold. I saw Ma had covered herself with the mattress she sat on. The director called me for the shot, and the song was played on the recorder. On the dunes, on that biting cold night, the song sounded mesmerizing. As the shot got cut, I looked for Ma and saw she had befriended a camel guy and was sitting next to the fire he had lit. She signaled me to come too, but the director called me again. After I was done with the shot, I looked for her again and I was startled. She was not to be seen. Where could she have disappeared amidst the dunes? I wondered. My heart skipped 1,000 beats. I asked my spot boy, Ma kahan hai? He also looked around frantically, and then he smiled and pointed out. There, far away, tucked in the thick blanket of camel skin, were two faces. One of the camel guy, and the other my mother's. A smile came on my face. She was gesturing again to rub the remaining brandy on my hands. Another kind of warmth filled my heart. It still does, whenever I think of my adorable mummy on the sets with me. Divya, all the best to you, to Penguin, and I really hope this book does really, really well. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sanat. Hi, Juhi.
Hello.
Welcome. And I think I'll have to immediately call you on stage.
Timing देखिए, मेरी timing देखिए.
Aye. So I'll request her to read just another excerpt for me.
May I give you a little hug? Okay. A very good evening to all of you. And Divya, all my love to you. So I've just walked in and I've been ushered here. I'm not sure exactly what has happened before, but I did think I would say a few words for Divya before I started to read, and I hope that's okay. Yes? So I wanted to tell you that I have worked with Divya in 3 films. हैं? क्या बात कर रहे हो? 5 हो गए? देखा? But the 3 I really clearly remember is our Punjabi films that we did. We did Des Hoya Pardes, Varis Shah, and then Sukhmani. And perhaps not many people know it here, but they were national award-winning films produced by Manjeet Maan and Maan Saab, Gurdas Maan Saab. And that is, I remember Varis Shah की shooting so clearly. चंडीगढ़ के बाहर जाते थे सुबह सुबह, नवंबर का महीना था तो बड़ी ठंड होती थी सुबह सुबह, एंड कोहरा होता था रास्ते पर, और सरसों के खेत, वहाँ से गुजर के जाना शूटिंग की लोकेशन पर. एंड देयर वी हैड अ वैनिटी वैन. एंड जब बजट छोटा होता है ना तो और मज़े आते हैं. The vanity van had to be shared by Divya and myself. And the mornings were so much fun because we'd land up there at 7:30 in the morning. बड़ी ठंड होती थी, बाहर पराठे बन रहे होते थे, चाय बन रही होती थी. Then we'd get the tea and everything inside. We'd be sitting and chatting before we got, started to get dressed. And I remember that your mom had also come during those days to be with you in Chandigarh. And so the 3 of us used to be sitting there and jamming and gossiping and chatting and having a great time. Well, I heard this and I cannot think of a more beautiful thing to say about mothers. Okay, God could not be everywhere, and so He created moms. थोड़ा सा बता दूं कि ये this was the time, the page I'm about to read is about the time when Divya was in college in Punjab and she auditioned for a Stardust, what was it, a Stardust talent hunt. And quite on the slide, like how little girls will just do it for the fun of it, she had also sent her entry in, and then she got called for the competition. So this is her in Punjab, and this is her breaking the news to her Nani Ma, or her Nani Ma has just gotten to know. She pulled me aside and asked sternly, "Have you both lost your minds? You got a crazy idea in your head, and now your mother's supporting you. I am not with both of you in this decision. And you should be practical. You are not the typically tall and pretty type to be a heroine. Just study, be an IAS officer, and get married." I was a bit shocked by her outburst, but not shaken in my resolve. In fact, as I walked away from her, I had a smile on my face. Something inside me told me that Ma and I, the 2 crazy women, would make it. So we both boarded the train to Mumbai and went to Mama's house. He and his family, comprising his wife, 2 daughters, and my Nana, were very happy to see us, though a bit surprised. We'd not let out the real motive for the visit, since my Mama was a very conservative Punjabi man, and for now, there was no reason to alarm him. I had prepared a mono act, which Ma had written for the audition. I had performed it once at a college youth festival. So it was tried and tested. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Juhi. Thank you both, you lovely ladies. You really made it very special. एक जर्नी मेरी और मेरी माँ की साथ में है सब. I'd like to share an AD with you. With everyone. Let's just play the AD, please. Thank you. some very personal moments, but it feels great to share it here with everyone, me and Ma. Sir, I think everyone's waiting to hear from you, so love being with you.
As the official book launcher of the industry, I feel very privileged and honored to be here today and want to thank Divya for inviting me. Writing is a difficult task. Writing a book is even more difficult. Writing a book on your memoirs is an extremely difficult task, so I really want to congratulate you for your book. Recollecting all your memories about you and your mother are always very close and very dear. Putting them down in writing is a huge emotional moment for anyone, and I'm sure that you must have been through many of those emotions yourself. Thank you so much for inviting me here today. I feel very privileged and honored. Thank you for the lovely bouquet of flowers, and as I told you, I noticed that all of them were purple in color. And to me, it looks as though your mother has herself come to bless this evening. Thank you so much.
May I please, thank you. I'll request my editor to be here. Sonali, Juhi, join me for the launch, please. Sir, I would request you to do the honors. Thank you so much, sir. And yes, I okay. No, sir. We are any. So I think I'll just call it. It's fine. मतलब मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती इस वक्त मुझे यहाँ से विजुअल दिख रहा है. All of you celebrating this lovely moment. Please read the book, give it all the love, and just go and hug your moms really tight because they are the bestest gifts we have. Thank you everyone, and thank you for being with me. There are lovely snacks outside, and let's just chat after this and have a great evening. And thank you so much, sir, for being with me. Thank you, Juhi. Thank you, Anand sir. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Govindji. Thanks, everyone. Thank you.
जो जी, क्योंकि हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, मी एंड माँ के मौके पर हमने देखा बुक लॉन्च की गई मिस्टर अमित जी के हाथों में, आप भी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे और क्या फील करती है ये मोमेंट आपके लिए, कितना प्रिविलेज मोमेंट है आपका?
दिव्या के साथ मैंने 5 फिल्मों में दिव्या के साथ मैंने 5 फिल्मों में काम किया है। उसमें से 3 पंजाबी फिल्म्स थी, नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग फिल्म्स। फिर हमने चौक एंड डस्टर में लास्ट काम किया, और एक्चुअली चौक एंड डस्टर ख़त्म हो रही थी, रिलीज़ पे थी, और जब हम प्रमोशन का काम कर रहे थे तब दिव्या बहुत बहुत ही टेंस थी, बहुत टेंस थी, क्योंकि उनकी मम्मी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, वो अस्पताल में थी। एंड एक्चुअली रिलीज़ से कुछ ही दिन पहले वो गुजर गई। सो आई हैव सीन दिव्या थ्रू दिस फेज़। दूसरा, मैंने खुद अपनी माँ को खोया है बहुत साल पहले। डुप्लीकेट की शूटिंग करने गए थे प्राग, तो जब हम वहाँ लैंड हुए तो अगले दिन मम्मी उठकर अपनी मॉर्निंग वॉक पे गई और फिर कभी वापस नहीं आई। तो मैं वो जानती हूँ कि वो दुख क्या होता है, एक माँ को खो देना। So somewhere I understand Divya, and she is an actress who I admire. मैंने उनकी भाग मिल्खा भाग देखी, और ऑफ कोर्स फरहान अख्तर ने बड़ा कमाल का काम किया था, बड़ी कमाल की फिल्म थी, मगर मुझे लगा कि दिव्या ने इतना खूबसूरत काम किया, मैंने उसे फूल भेजे थे उस फिल्म के बाद। सो आई हैव नोन हर ओवर द इयर्स, 12-13 साल से मैं उन्हें जानती हूँ। हमने काम किया है, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि हमने फिल्मों में भी काम किया साथ में, और बहुत कमाल की आर्टिस्ट हैं। सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर बोथ दिव्या एंड फॉर हर मदर एंड फॉर ऑल मदर्स।
जूही जी, साथ ही जानना चाहेंगे कोई एक ऐसा मेमोरेबल मोमेंट आपका आपकी मॉम के साथ है जो आप हमेशा से बचपन से लेके आज तक उनकी कही कोई बात जो आप हमेशा अपने साथ लेके चलती हो, कोई भी एक उन्होंने ऐसी बात कही हो आपको?
हाँ, मैं जब बड़ी हो रही थी तो मैं अपनी माँ की तरह ही बनना चाहती थी। वो ताज होटल में काम करती थी और बहुत सुंदर सुंदर सिल्क की साड़ी पहनकर, बहुत अच्छी तरह पिन करके, हमेशा बड़ी खूबसूरत लगती थी काम पर जाते हुए। तो मैंने सोचा मैं उनकी तरह बनूंगी। फिर मम्मी ने बोला नहीं ये सब काम मत करना, तो तुम कुछ सेल्स मार्केटिंग, कुछ एक्साइटिंग सा काम करना, मैं जो करती हूँ मत करना। मुझे तो ये भी याद है कि मैं बहुत छोटी थी, कुछ 11 साल की, तो मुझे कोई मॉडलिंग का असाइनमेंट मिला था, तो उसके मुझे कुछ 1000 रुपये मिले थे वो काम करने के लिए। तो मैं पहले भाग के मैंने अपने पैसे मम्मी को दिए थे कि ये मैं आपको दूँ, मतलब मेरी पहली कमाई। मैं 11 साल की थी, तो शी वॉज़ वेरी टच्ड, वेरी इमोशनल। फिर मैं जब स्टार बनने लगी, जस्ट डर रिलीज़ हो गई थी, मैं मतलब स्टार बन गई थी, या यू वुड से आई वाज। उनका बर्थडे आया और मैंने उनके लिए कभी कोई गिफ्ट नहीं दिया था माँ को, यू टेक हर फॉर ग्रांटेड। पहली बार मैंने उनके लिए हीरे के इयररिंग्स खरीदे थे अपनी कमाई से, और वो इतनी खुश हुई कि वो रोने लग गई, और बस कुछ ही महीनों के बाद वो गुजर गई। तो ये बात मेरे साथ हुई।
जी जी, अब इतने सालों से इंडस्ट्री में, क्या हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि आप भी अपनी कोई बायोग्राफी, आप भी अपनी बुक लॉन्च करेंगी, कभी अपनी कहानी को बताएंगी बुक के जरिए?
ओ बाप रे, जितना मैं हंसी हूँ ना उतना मैं रोई भी हूँ, तो पता नहीं हिम्मत होगी कि नहीं।
अच्छा जूही जी, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप एक ब्यूटीफुल एक्टर हैं, साथ में ऐसे इवेंट पे भी हमें रोज मिलती रहती है। इसके अलावा आप बहुत बड़ी अच्छी बिजनेसमैन भी हैं।
अरे वाह। IPL आ रहा है।
IPL भी आ रहा है, तो कैसे चल रही है आपकी
तैयारी क्या चल रही है? अभी मिनी ऑक्शन होगा। थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस हुए हैं इस साल हमारी टीम में। वसीम भाई नहीं हैं हमारे साथ, मैं उनकी जगह बालाजी, जो कि एक बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे बॉलर रहे हैं, वो कोच बनेंगे बॉलिंग टीम के। आई थिंक एक मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर एंड्रे रसल, वो नहीं खेल पाएगा, वो बैन हो गया। सो आई थिंक देयर विल बी अ फ्यू चेंजेस इन द टीम, बट आई होप इट्स फॉर द बेटर।
जी, एक आखिरी सवाल, क्योंकि इस साल हमने देखा काफ़ी हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान को लेके काफ़ी कंट्रोवर्सी रही।
ये सब मुझे मत पूछो।
आपके इस टीम में कोई पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर भी ऐसा या और भी? कोई
फिलहाल तो है ही नहीं,
नहीं है।
अब नहीं है।
अच्छा जूही जी, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, चौक इंडस्ट्री पर अभी कहाँ देखेंगे हम आपको, क्योंकि ऑडियंस आपको हर वक्त पर्दे पर देखना ही चाहती है।
मैं एक वेब सीरीज़ कर रही हूँ, नागेश कुकुनूर कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही कमाल की थी। मतलब उन्होंने पहला एपिसोड मुझे पढ़ने के लिए दिया और बहुत ही कमाल का था, एंड जिसमें मैं एक डिफेंस मिनिस्टर का रोल कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बड़ी खुश थी और मैं वो शूटिंग करने कुछ 8 दिन के लिए, 8 दिन के बाद जा रही हूँ।
कब तक आ जाएगी ये फिल्म लोगों के बीच?
ये एक वेब सीरीज़ है, तो अभी तो शूटिंग होगी, फिर लेट्स सी जब रेडी हो जाएगी तब आ जाएगी।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।